Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nisha Amira binti Mazli, a fourth year SESR student who is enrolling Project Sarjana Muda 1 or known as PSM1. The title for my project is Enhancement of Industrial Training System, Industrial Training System 2.0 or known as ITS 2.0. For PSM1, I am supervised by Dr. Muallim Muhammad Amin. Most undergraduate program in a university implements industrial training program, which includes UTM. In UTM, to graduate, students must complete industrial training. Before the existence of ITS, all activities such as applying, placement, and logbook writing are done physically. Hence, ITS is developed to reduce workload by shifting the processes to digital. But despite the digitization, students are restrained by a few limitations. The problem background for this project is time-consuming placement process, where students are only allowed to place one application at one time, and to choose the company, they have to go through a long list that does not implement filter by state function. The use of physical form led to repeating process, such as downloading and re-upload the form to be submitted manually by email. Last but not least, there are no notification function in the system to alert on status update for the students. So what is the aim of this project? It is to enhance ITS pre-placement module, mainly to ease the process of applying placement prior industrial training program. The objectives are as follows: to study the system of industrial training program using ITS, to enhance ITS pre-placement process, and to implement and evaluate the enhancement of proposed system. Next, what are the scopes of the project? The scopes of the project is to focus on the improvement of all pre-process steps prior starting industrial training program through ITS. Choosing company for a placement will be done through a Malaysia digital map that enables students to filter company by state. All physical forms required throughout industrial training program will be switched to online form that can be filled through the proposed system. Last but not least, all enhancement stated is based on School of Computing requirements. The first literature review for this project is industrial training. Industrial training aims to improve students' knowledge and skill set adopted during years of study. With a minimum of 20 weeks of industrial training program, which is equivalent to one whole semester, students are expected to be equipped with hard and soft skills and able to imagine the real working environment. Students are also expected to be able to transfer those theory they have learned to practical. JKLI is a Jawatan Kuasa Latihan Industri, which is a body of School of Computing supervisors from different course background that plan and administer industrial training program. JKLI consists of Industrial Training Program Coordinator, Secretariat, and School of Computing Courses Committee. The organization structure is as follows. JKLI is led by Dr. Nurfa Hazlina, followed by the Secretariat, Madam Azmaniza, and then the JKLI committees from different SC courses. The committee for SASR are Dr. Zuria Hati and Madam Rashida. So what is ITS? ITS is a digital platform proposed by the previous JKLI committee, which is Dr. Muallim himself, to help digitize all the processes to undergo industrial training. Through ITS, students can apply placement and write logbook. The digitization process helps to reduce workload and reduce time taken to finish a task, such as reviewing students' logbook. To apply a placement, there are a few processes to be followed. First, students need to choose company from the company list available on ITS. If they have a company in mind that is not listed in the list, they have to propose the company to JKLI committee. If approved, the company will then be added into the system. Then, students need to submit BLI-1C form to school supervisor with students and company details through email. After that, students can apply their preferred company through ITS. Once the application is approved through the system, JKLI will issue a letter and students can proceed with an official application to the company through email. On April 2021, a survey on ITS effectiveness was conducted locally among students who went, who will go, and currently enrolling industrial training program. In 3 days, the survey reached a total of 62 respondents who think that ITS is not effective. Based on the figures, a whopping 96.8% out of 62 respondents said they faced a problem while using ITS, and 85.5% of them thinks ITS is not effective. The top 3 issues faced by students when using ITS are a non-user-friendly interface, time-consuming application process, and difficulty to understand how the system works. For example, the placement process. A comparison was made between JobStreet, internships, Job Nature, and ITS to know the differences between them. As shown on the table, only ITS and Jobs Malaysia does not implement a notification function, and ITS is the only platform that does not allow filtering by location when choosing a company. Through the comparison, we can see what are the strengths and the weaknesses of ITS and the proposed system. For the development of this project, 3 technologies will be used. First, design and prototyping tool, Wix, a database, MySQL, and a server running on localhost, XAMPP. The methodology used for this project is Agile Model. Agile Model is a faster system development lifecycle SDLC, where it is divided into collaborative phase, hence why it is faster. For example, initiation and analysis phase in SDLC is grouped and done concurrently in Agile Model. The software requirement for using ITS 2.0 is an operating system, such as Windows XP or Mac OS. Then a search engine, such as Google Chrome, Apple Safari, and last but not least, Easy Connect software to connect to UTM VPN. Without Easy Connect, user will not be able to access ITS. The hardware requirements are any electronic device. It can be smartphones, laptops, or personal computer. A personal computer or a laptop must be running at least 1.9 GHz, 68 or 64-bit processor. And those electronic devices must be running a 2 GB RAM. Next, I'm going to show you the initial findings from PSM1 project research. The data from the survey suggests that user experience can be improved through the interface and placement process. The interface can be simplified by removing unnecessary buttons or pages and the use of suitable graphic and icons. Next, all physical forms will be digitized where it will be available online. Through the system, students can fill required forms and answer surveys. There is no need for them to download or upload any resources. The next finding is, instead of a normal filter, a Malaysian map will be used to show available companies to be applied through the system. Therefore, students can see how many companies are available around their preferred location. Last but not least, the notification function will be implemented so students can be notified when the application status is updated. And JKLI will be alert when a student applies for a placement. This is the homepage for ITS 2.0. There is no major changes to the homepage, therefore it is similar to the existing ITS homepage. Next is the profile page. Like the existing ITS, after a successful login, user will be redirected to a profile page. But in ITS 2.0, the account page are more simpler and the buttons are more visible to user. They can directly update their info through the profile page, and there is an upload resume button on top of the page. Students who would like to fill form and answer survey can go to Forms and Survey page. As you can see, there is a list of forms and survey available for the students. They can see the active date for the forms and survey, also the form status, whether the forms and survey has been filled or not. Not only that, at the top right of the page, you can see a notification section. The small red circle on the notification button indicates that there are a notification that hasn't been read by user. As seen on the screen, this will be the interface for students who is seeking for a placement. They will see a map where they have the ability to zoom in or zoom out the map to see more or see less of the companies available in certain areas. My PSM2 planning are as shown in the Gantt chart. The first phase will be the research phase, which is the early stage of developing the project. The second phase is the development phase. The development phase will be the most vital phase in this whole project because it includes coding and demonstration. Coding has to be perfect for every functions to work properly. And the last phase is testing phase. During the testing phase, there will be a system and user testing and final demonstration. The project idea is based on my actual user experience while using the system last semester during industrial training program. The ever-changing technology requires every digital platform to be problem-free to ensure a smooth user experience. Thus, a detailed research and proper planning is vital in every project development. I believe with proper planning, ITS can be improved and enhanced in a way that it is easier to use and reduce every process to be done throughout industrial training. That is all from me for my PSM1 presentation. Thank you for your time.